Hey there pranksters, welcome back to another holiday prank video, and in this particular video I'm gonna be focusing on Christmas pranks that you can easily pull off at home on friends and family members during the month of December. But before we get started guys, let's get to the giveaways. And in my last video I did set a like goal of 20,000 likes to be able to give away a brand new PlayStation 4 to one of my subscribers, and we have exceeded that quite comfortably. So therefore, congratulations Dead Swag Master. You were chosen randomly from the comments, and therefore you will be getting a brand new PlayStation 4 in the mail before Christmas. Lately I feel like I haven't given away enough Xbox Ones, and honestly that's my favorite game console. So here's the deal guys, if this video gets 12,000 likes before Christmas, I will give away a brand new Xbox One to one of my subscribers in the comments. And to participate, all you have to do is like this video and leave a comment below telling me what your favorite part of the holidays is. It really isn't that hard guys, and you might end up being the lucky winner chosen. So again pranksters, if this video gets 12,000 likes, I will give away an Xbox One to one of you guys. Just like and comment on this video. One last thing, if you wish to have a live chat with me face to face, please click on the link in the description. Good luck guys, now let's get this video going. Santa hats tend to be very popular around Christmas season for obvious reasons. Best part is that they typically sell for $1 at Walmart or your local dollar store, so if you have one handy you can definitely pull off the following prank. You'll also need a styrofoam bowl. Fill it up with some water or any liquid that you want, then just simply tuck it inside the Santa hat that your victim might want to put on eventually. Leave it laying flat on a table, and when someone tries to put it on, they will be in for a wet surprise. You might actually get them really soaked with this prank. Either way, this will create a spill that they will have to clean up. Now let's make an even bigger mess, and to achieve that you will need a gift box like this one right here. This one consists of the lid and the actual box, and if you notice inside it's empty with the exception of the styrofoam cup. Here's how you set this up. Take the box lid and lay it upside down. On top we are gonna position the cup right in the center and tape it in place. Now we are gonna pierce a hole on the bottom of the box. This will help create the mess you're about to see. I've mixed some Kool-Aid inside this water bottle, and I'm just gonna pour some inside the cup, pretty much till it's completely full. Last step is to place the box on top of the lid and leave it there. At first it will appear like the present is upside down, and the hole on the top will make anybody curious as to what's inside the gift box, so they will try to flip it over, and just like I said, it will create a huge mess. This is a prank that no one wants to fall for on Christmas morning. This right here is a regular looking Christmas ornament. It's green, round and shiny, but unfortunately for this next prank, we don't need the body of this ornament, just the cap. Luckily I have a green water balloon which I will fill up with water to replace the ornament's original body. Now pranksters, if you do decide to try this prank out, please do not tie the tip of the balloon, just twist it once it's full of water. While the tip is twisted, ball it up a bit and tuck it inside the ornament's cap. It should be snug enough to hold the water inside. When it's time to decorate the Christmas tree, make sure that you have the water balloon ornament handy and have someone hang it up. As soon as the cap comes off the water balloon, it will start to squirt water all over the place. See, when they put the hook over it and try to hang it, the water balloon falls to the floor and it pours out its contents completely. It will create one huge spill for sure. Another tree ornament prank is the following. You will need a dropper and some liquid shoe polish to successfully pull off this prank. Again, let's remove the cap from the ornament, and the inside should be hollow and empty. So with the dropper, we are going to add some liquid shoe polish into the ornament. You can add a lot if you want, but I myself don't want to create a huge mess. I do however want to leave a tough stain. Once you have enough shoe polish in there, get a piece of tin foil and cover the opening of the ornament with it and flip it upside down on the table. With a few pieces of clear tape, attach the foil onto the table. You can leave the cap next to the ornament so whoever sees it will want to put it back on the ornament. The only problem is that when they pick it up, the shoe polish will start to pour out, and if you added a lot in there, it will indeed be a bigger mess. I didn't want to create a big mess for this demonstration though, but you guys get the idea. Here's one last Christmas tree ornament prank that you guys can do at home on family members. For this example, I will be using a shiny red ornament. You'll also need a red marker, but if your ornament is a different color other than red, just try to match that color. All we do here, guys, is just cover a big portion of the ornament with the marker. The more area you cover, the higher the prank success rate will be. Once you're done, leave it where you know your victim will get it. As soon as they grab it and try to hang it up on the tree, their hands will be stained just like this. If you try using a permanent marker, you will give them an even harder time with this prank. This prank is best executed when decorating a Christmas tree or when it's time to put the Christmas tree away. These next couple of pranks are for Santa Claus, and to successfully execute these pranks, you will need the classics, milk and cookies. Let's begin with the cookies first. Just by looking at this plate of cookies, you wouldn't suspect anything is wrong with them, right? Well, that's because you can only see the top. But if we were to grab a spicy chili pepper and push it inside the bottom of a cookie, no one would be able to tell, especially since you can't see the bottom. So if Santa Claus was to take a bite out of one of these cookies, he will be in for a spicy surprise. Fortunately, you will leave some milk out for him, and of course, with his mouth on fire, he will want to drink some of that milk. It just won't be his night though, as we are gonna booby trap that cup of milk, and here's how. Take a piece of string, about a foot in length will do, flip the empty cup over and tape one end of the string to the bottom of the cup. The other end of the string will be taped to the table. For better grip, I strongly recommend you tie a knot on each end of the string. Coil up the string and place the cup over it, so at this point the string should not be visible at all. Last step is to fill up the cup with some milk. As you all know by now, the more you fill it up, the bigger the mess will be. Once you have plenty of milk in there, the prank is set. As Santa grabs the cup and picks it up, the string will pull back the cup, and unfortunately for Santa, he will not be able to enjoy that milk. If you get lucky, you just might be able to get him to spill the milk all over his red suit. You will definitely land on the naughty list for sure. Christmas stockings are another common Christmas decoration. These are best used for giving small gifts on Christmas. So let's say you want to get someone's hopes up for December 25th. Simply get a stocking and start filling it up with balled up sheets of paper. The fatter the stocking looks, the more appealing it will be, and whoever gets this stocking will be super excited to dig in there. To stop them from doing that though, staple the ends shut, and that's it. The prank is set. Come Christmas morning, your victims will be in for a huge disappointment. Here's a classic gift box prank, and I remember the first time that I pulled this off was almost 10 years ago, guys. So basically what you do here is get yourself a gift box of a decent size. Make sure that it's large enough to house a water balloon filled with water inside. For example, here I have a red balloon that has enough water in there to cause a huge spill. Another thing to notice about this balloon is that I have not tied the tip. For this prank to work, you need to place the water balloon inside the box while pinching the tip. Once the balloon is fully inside the gift box, pull on the tip so that it goes outside of the box and simply just place the lid on, which will keep the water balloon from spilling. The tip won't be noticeable at all, guys, and whoever happens to get this Christmas present will be in for a surprise. As soon as they remove the lid, the balloon will start to shoot out water. Lastly, guys, you can execute this prank on anyone who loves to wrap Christmas presents. You'll have to get a hold of the roll of wrapping paper, such as the one that I have right here. I was also lucky enough to find a small plastic cup that fits inside the roll perfectly. It's very snug and it stays on the end. It doesn't go deep into the roll, and that's what I like. Now that it's inside, we can fill it up with some water or any liquid that you want. The last step is to leave the roll of wrapping paper leaning against a wall. Just make sure that it's not laid horizontally. When it's time to wrap presents, your victim will casually grab the roll, and when it's tilted, it will cause a spill. Wrapping paper is very thin and sensitive, so if they have other wrapped presents around, they might get wet, so just a heads up, guys. There you guys have it, 10 funny but messy pranks that you guys can pull off on friends and family at home during the Christmas season. These are really fun and it will keep you entertained. Now pranksters, at the start of this video, I did give away a brand new PlayStation 4 to a lucky subscriber, and I also announced a new giveaway. Once this video hits 12,000 likes, I will give away a brand new Xbox One to someone in the comments, and to participate all you have to do is like and comment on this video. It's just as easy as that, guys. You could end up getting a brand new Xbox One just in time for Christmas. Just like and comment on this video. Good luck to all of you who participate. Have an amazing holiday season. I'll see you guys in my next video.